So congratulations Mr. Noor Azril on winning the Best Gated and Guarded Industrial Park Development. So what does winning the PIPDA mean to your company?
First of all, I would like to thank to Property Insight for choosing the Pulau Indah Industrial Park as to giving award to us. I really appreciate that. This actually Pulau Indah Industrial Park is the first gated and guarded in Malaysia. So our project has been chosen by the Selangor State to be the pilot project for the whole state in future. We provide a healthy lifestyle also in the industrial park, where we provide some facilities like exercise station and also bicycle and cycle track. So this one, hopefully, the factories or the industrialists will have more productivity and give more profit to the company.
Wow, amazing development. So how does your company differentiate itself from your competitors?
Yeah, this is the first thing that we have brainstormed last time, about 2 years ago, and then we managed to introduce a first gated and guarded, which is different from other normal developer.